Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Motoverse Rumble. मेरा नाम है Kapil and this is my very first vlog that I'm creating today and I'm very excited for this. So, a quick introduction. I am from Delhi and right now I am in Gurgaon. The plan is with random 6 people to go for a bike ride on Sunday and this is what we are riding today. This is my beautiful Triumph Scrambler 400X. So let's go and let's talk while we ride. And we are starting our ride today a little late because रात में काफ़ी तेज बारिश आई थी और बाइक साफ़ भी करनी पड़ी सुबह उठ के. तो आज का प्लान है फॉर अ मॉर्निंग ब्रेकफास्ट राइड टू Bikers Barn, one of our famous place for bikers to visit, and I'm really excited because I'm going there for the first time and also with people whom I have never met. 6 log, everybody has one or the other variant of Triumph only, Speed or Scram, so met them online and that's how the plan worked out. Let's see how it goes. The weather is good though, I must say. The weather is really good. अभी मैं अगर टाइम की बात करूँ, this is 10:20 and I believe that for a winter ride it's not too late. Summers में अभी तक काफ़ी तेज़ धूप आ चुकी होती और वो फिर सभी के लिए डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाता है. For all the riders, I mean. But winters में I believe it should work fine. So we are on the go. हमारा जो plan है that is to meet at Ambience Mall and all the other people that I'm joining today are from Delhi as well, but I had some plan lately in Gurgaon, so I will be joining them from here. Lovely weather and our lovely ride. So without taking long, I will take you guys and we'll see you now at the meetup point. So we are back on the saddle and we have all our Triumph friends here. 2 लोग पीछे हैं, 2 लोग आगे हैं और बीच में हम हैं. As I did mention, आज हमारा प्लान जो है वो है बाइकर्स बान जाने का. That's a bikers cafe in Gurgaon. So we are going there. मैं पहले कुछ 1 या 2 बार थ्रोटल गया हूँ. That is one of those biking cafes, but not to this one. This is new to me. So let's see how it goes. I miss my old bike yaar. Royal Enfield Thunderbird 500X. No matter how big of a bike I buy in future, but that will always be my first memory, my first bike. It was huge, bro. It was huge. I don't know if it would sound cheesy, but some or the other way I am also thinking to kind of name this bike. I have no idea what. Literally no idea what. Just a random thought came in my mind. Let's see. If something good strikes my mind, I may go with that. Well, तब तक के लिए let's enjoy our ride. I haven't been on a ride with a group. कभी भी. मतलब पहले अपनी रॉयल इनफील्ड के साथ ही मैं राइड्स पे जाया करता था, but that was usually with my close friends. But like this, in a group of similar bikes, never did that. but it feels good. It feels kind of a part of a tribe. Let's see how far it goes. If it works out, so maybe longer trips with them, maybe not. But don't worry, no matter what the company would be, there will be longer trips on this channel, so stay tuned. सही है यार, वैसे सर्दियों को देखते हुए सुबह 6 या 7 बजे की राइड पे जाने का कोई मतलब नहीं है. इट्स लाइक 11:21 राइट नाउ. Sounds late, but it's not. To be very true, it's not. You can already see the weather. धूप नहीं है, soothing weather है. And rather थोड़ी धूप आ जाए ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. So that's how we glide through the traffic in a row, one after the other. Biking में ना कोई limit नहीं है that what you can spend on. Literally, the other day I was googling it. Alpine Star is a brand who sells such riding gears. उनका एक पूरा riding suit आता है and that is worth around 2.5 lakhs. And I was like, boom, it's 95% of my bike's worth. But again, no matter what, I'm not saying riding gears ज़रूरी नहीं है. They are. But again, as I did mention, कोई end भी नहीं है expenses का that you can do on such things. So everybody who rides longer distances, not just because for fun and also for their work related purposes, they should get some gear. Helmet is a must. Everybody knows that. उसके अलावा राइडिंग जैकेट इज़ अ वेरी गुड ऑप्शन इफ़ यू कैन गेट वन. एंड देन बूट्स. या आई वुड रियली सजेस्ट कि कोई भी जो राइड करता हो ऑन देयर टू व्हीलर्स should go for the basic gears to make sure that they are all protected while they are on the road. Because I have realized, I have been riding let's say approximately for last 4 years, and I have realized कि it doesn't matter how good you are in riding, but it's not always you, man. Anybody from your back can come and get you to the place you never want to be. So we should rather play safe. Hello, so we are back to the saddle once again, done with the morning ride. It's actually not yet done, but we are done with the food. Bikers Barn is really a very good place to be at, and now we are all headed back to our places. And it was a really good day, and I hope you guys would have enjoyed my vlog. Thank you very, very much for being here. I really appreciate that, and keep supporting and do subscribe to my channel, Motoverse Rumble. Goodbye, signing off.